how to use the together mode in your Microsoft Teams meeting. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the exact steps on how you can use that together mode in order to get a classroom like feel or effect when you are having multiple people in your Teams meeting. So in this particular case, I currently have only two people, so I won't be able to demonstrate how it works, but I can definitely show you that if in your case, if you have four or five people in your Teams meeting, then how you can enable the together mode. So in order to enable the together mode in your Teams meeting, all you gotta do is simply click onto this more actions button right here, just below or just beneath this view option. So click onto this more option, and once you will do this, you can see different options, but in case you cannot find anything here, you can go to this view option as well. So click onto this view button, and then from here, just under the speaker, you will see this option that says together mode or preview. But currently it requires that I join this meeting with three or more people. In your case, if you have three or more people in your Teams meeting, you can simply click onto this together mode and it will give you a preview of the same, and you can simply click onto this option to apply that effect as well. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.